Hello friends, good afternoon. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel Technology TV and I'm your host Abu Rehan. Friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you how can you make a rocking intro for your YouTube channel. Before uploading your videos, you need to add a rocking intro to your videos in order to popularize your YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video I'm gonna show you this and let's start the video. But before I start the video, I have a simple request. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking this red colored subscribe icon as well as the bell icon appearing after it. By subscribing to my YouTube channel, all my newly upcoming videos will be notified to you. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, in order to make a rocking intro for your YouTube channel, first of all, you need to open an website panzoid.com/tools/clipmaker and enter this address. I will also give you this address in description below. As you click on this, a new website will open and here you can see a number of templates of intros available, and all these intro templates that is available are for free, that is no charge is required. These are not all, but if you see, here is an option more creations. So if you click on the option more creation, you will see countless numbers of other templates that are also available for free. For example, here I clicked on the more creations and you can see here a number of other templates which are available for free. So select the template that suits you. For example, I click on this template where you can see the text. So select the one that suits your YouTube channel and click on that. As you click on that, another page will open and here you can see open in clip maker. So click on the option open in clip maker. As you click on this option, that clip will open in editor, so that you can make editing according to your demand. So first of all, here you can see a check mark, so click on that. As you click on this check mark, the basic setting will open. So the first thing is video resolution, so you can choose the resolution of video from here. It is 1080 for me, but you can change it from 1080 to 1440 or 720 or whichever suits you. So I keep it on 1080. Now the next one is the frame rate. I keep my frame rate on 30. However, you can change it from 30 to 60 if you want. And the most important thing is length in seconds. The recommended length is 10 seconds. However, you can change it from decreasing side or increasing side. However, it is advisable that do not keep the length of your intro greater than 10 seconds. Now scroll down to the cube option and click this. So as you click on the cube option, you will see a number of options. Scroll down to the text, click on it and write the name of your YouTube channel. So here I write my channel Technology TV and enter this. Scroll down to the next text and click it. So similarly write Technology TV and enter this. After you have done all these things, come click on the I option and then click on the play button and your clip will be like this. Your intro will seem like this. Now if you want to make changes, scroll down a little bit And here from central point you can see you can place the writing the name of your channel on any position. You can change from here the position of the name of your channel on the intro. From the rotation option you can change its rotation. You can change the rotation even by clicking on the screen. Similarly, you can change the color of the writing in which your channel name is written. For example, I turn it to yellow, so this is the yellow form. Scroll down a little, and by this way you can make all these changes to your clip, to your intro. After you have done all these things, come here, and here you can see audio plus music option. So if you don't like the music that is playing in the background, you can select your own audio file from the system. Similarly, after you have done all these things, come here, and here an option is available, download. So click on this. As you click on the download option, you will be given download your video option. Here you can see mood, so you can download this video clip that you have made for intro to any video. For example, if you want extreme good quality, the rendering will start and it will take a lot of time. If you download in good quality, rendering will be a little faster, and so on. So it depends on which quality of your intro do you want. So select the one and then come here and click on the start video render. As you click on the start video render, your video will start rendering, and it will take from 20 to 40 minutes as per this mood you have selected. After the video rendering is finished, you will be asked to download your clip, and your intro is in hand. So friends, by this way you can obtain any type of intro for your channel as you want and for free. So friends, if you like this video, please share our video, subscribe to our channel, like and comment your opinion. Thank you for watching this video.